Again, welcome to Megatrade101.com video presentation of the foreign exchange market. As this video basically supports the trade plan that we presented over at our website on the forecast, basically looking at the market on the euro pound again and on the Australian dollar. But right here we are presenting to you an hourly chart on the 4 hours on the euro pound as well as the Australian dollar. With the recent discount rate hike from the Federal Reserve Bank from last week, which triggered the US dollar to move higher, and subsequently for the euro as well as the pound to move lower. However, in our recommendation, we were long on the euro pound since February 4, based on our video presentation. If you would like to check back and look at the date and the video on February 4 and February 16 presentation as well, where we presented the euro pound at the price levels. Right now it is working at 0.8871 from a low of 0.8748 from the past couple of days. It's been working its way up again. And on the daily, which I would like to present to you right now, switching it over to a daily chart where the movement of the prices dramatically moved higher as of today, the 26th of February, and currently working again at 0.8872. We already had added 2 more long positions at these price levels, and this basically shows that the sentiments are still more biased on the long side for the euro pound. And checking it out on the weekly shows that it is already penetrating the resistance price line on the euro pound, and we're looking at 0.8965 initially for its initial target price level. As you can see that it is actually moving towards that direction, and looking at it on a monthly, this symmetrical triangle now, and with the initial resistance line here currently working at 8871 with a high of 0.8875. So our initial target would be around 0.8965 for the euro pound. Now looking at the Australian dollar, basically on a 4-hourly basis, it is currently working at 0.8812, and we also have 2 short positions at this point in time where the Australian dollar moves totally opposite of the US dollar, moving higher for the dollar, and it's getting stronger. Now let's move and check out the daily as far as the Australian dollar is concerned. If you would remember our previous presentation on the Australian dollar dated February 4 and the 16th, which already gave you a triangle formation as well, moving lower, giving that indication that the prices of the Australian dollar from the previous high of 0.9332 on November and 0.9328 high, which was basically close to a double top formation, but already signaled an exhaustion of the prices and initially penetrated the support, which gave it a more indication for a short positions on the Australian dollar. Like we said, there are basically two positions currently working at the price level, and this presentation basically supports our trade plan as far as our recommendations on the euro pound as well as the Australian dollar. Please be extra careful because the volatile market will basically move and have a wider swings, although the trend is basically still long for the euro pound, basically stronger for the dollar. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.